Hi guys. So I know that I've not spoken to you guys since I started this particular video. I don't know if I should call this a vlog or just a maintenance video. I have not been feeling like myself. First of all, happy new month, guys. This is my first video for the month, and I'm so sorry that I'm coming to you guys like this. I have not been feeling myself, honestly. I've been feeling so unmotivated lately. I don't even know the reason why I am just going through this kind of depressive episode again, but I am back. I know I keep saying this every single month. I keep telling you guys that I'm back. I'm back. Okay. I had to drag myself today to actually understand what is going on. And as you can see, I think I'm feeling much better now that I look like a human being. When I started this vlog, I didn't even understand what I was looking like. So but now I got my old braids uninstalled. I had that cornrow, the two cornrows. I had it for about it was 4 weeks now. And yeah, it really served me. So I had to take it down, do a new hair. But I didn't do this hair as neat as I should because I have to take it down again by next week and do my wash day routine. I have to do a lot of things that day. We did treatment on my hair that day. So I'm going to take it down next week and then I'll wash it, blow dry, flat iron again. I'm going to do another silk press. The last time I did a silk press was like it's been like 8 weeks since my last silk press, or even 2 months. So I think I am due to do another one because yeah, I'll be prepping to travel. So I think that's one of the things that is even exciting me today. So I just want to start this week to get my shit together, okay? So I've done my nails, I've done my hair, I've shaved my face, I've done my eyebrows. I feel so much better. So you guys, I've been consciously trying to grow my nails. While I was growing up, I used to bite my nails a lot. So by the time I grew up, got to understand what was going on. My nails were already bad, and I've been trying to salvage it for the past few years. I know you guys must have noticed in my videos that my nails don't look cute at all. My natural nails don't look cute. But for the past like 1 month, I have been trying my best because whenever I try to grow it, it ends up breaking. I have very soft fragile nails that if you bend it, it's going to bend in any position you bend it to. So I've been making conscious effort to see if I can salvage and bring these nails back to life. And I'm progressing. Let's see how far I can go from now till December. Fingers crossed it doesn't get messed up again. So yeah guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. This video is not a sad video. I was not just feeling myself and I wanted to start by taking care of myself to actually see if I can feel myself and get back to the spirit of filming, get back to what I love doing the most because you guys, I love filming. And for the past 3 4 weeks now, I have not been myself at all. That's the reason why you guys have not seen a video from me this month. So we're going to start from here and see how it goes. So yeah, I have exciting videos coming up. After this video, the next video you guys are going to see, it's so exciting to me. It's exciting, okay? So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.